Good morning, welcome back to Genius Pathshala. So, in our previous chapter, previous lecture, I have told you about the shapes. We have just learned about the triangle, rectangle, square, circle, and oval. Okay, so these five shapes we have learned in our previous lecture. So, our today's topic is regarding this shapes only. Okay, here in today's topic, you have to observe the picture, you have to look at the picture carefully and answer it. Okay, and answer it in that according to that question. Okay, so today you have to observe the picture which I have drawn. Okay, you have to see the picture carefully and you have to count the number of shapes. From that picture you have to count the number of shapes and write down their numbers बिफोर दैट शेप. ओके, जैसे आज आपको मैंने यहाँ पे आपको मैंने पिक्चर्स ड्रॉ करे शेप्स के रिगार्डिंग. ठीक है, फिर उसमें से आपको शेप्स काउंट करना है और फिर शेप्स काउंट करके उसके नेम के आगे उसके नंबर्स लिखना है. सो लेट्स बिगिन. आर यू रेडी? यस. सो लेट्स बिगिन. सो दिस इज अवर टॉपिक, टुडेज टॉपिक. Count, observe the picture, count the number of shapes and write. Okay, so observe the picture, count the number of shapes and write. Okay, so this is our picture. Okay, so this is our picture. In this picture you have to count the shapes. Okay, which shapes are there in this picture? See which shape, what is called this shape? What is called this shape? Triangle. What is called this shape? Rectangle. What is called this shape? Rectangle. Okay, so two shapes are there. Okay, triangle and rectangle. Okay, so I have written here triangle. How many triangles are there? Three. One, two, three. How many triangles are there? One, two, three. So I will write here three. Okay, I have already written here. Okay, now rectangle. How many rectangles are there in this picture? So see, one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many rectangles are there? So before in front of rectangle I will write 7. ठीक है, rectangle के सामने मैंने क्या लिखा? 7. अब हमें यहाँ पे पूछा square. Is it any square in this picture? आपको कहीं square दिख रहा है ये पिक्चर में? Can you able to see square in this picture? No. So I will write here 0. What I will write here? 0. Okay, so in this picture only triangle and rectangle is given. Okay, so how many triangles are there? 3. So I will write here 1, 2, 3. So I have written here 3. How many rectangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have written here 7. Okay, and square. Is it any square is there in this picture? No. So I will write here 0. Okay. Now next picture is. So next picture is this, is like this. So which shapes are here? Triangle. Which, what is called this shape? Circle, triangle, circle, and what is called this shape? Okay. In which? Rectangle. Okay, so in rectangle, two long side, two short side. Okay, so how many triangles are there in this picture? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. How many triangles are there in this picture? 1, 2, 3. So I will write here 3 in front of triangle. Okay, I will write 3 in front of triangle. How many rectangles are there? How many rectangles are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many rectangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many rectangles are there? 6. So I will write here 6 in front of rectangle. Okay, I will write here 6 in front of rectangle. Now circle. Okay, circle. So how many circles are there? 1, 2. How many circles are there? 1, 2. So I will write here 2. Okay, now a square is there in this picture? No. Okay, here they don't ask about the square, but if they ask about the square, how many square is there in this picture, then if you are able to see the square, then you have to write the count, and then you have to write the number of square. But here square is not given, so you have to write the 0 if square is given. then ओके, इफ यहाँ पे आपको स्क्वायर के बारे में पूछा है कि स्क्वायर कितने हैं, बट यहाँ पे पिक्चर में स्क्वायर नहीं है, तो आप क्या लिखोगे? 0। अगर स्क्वायर है तो आपको काउंट करना है और फिर उसके बाद लिखना है कि कितने स्क्वायर है। ओके, सो डू यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस बोथ पिक्चर? ओके, नाउ थर्ड पिक्चर इज लाइक दिस. What is this picture is called? What is this picture is called? Yes, train. What is this picture is called? Train. Okay, so in this train you have to count the shapes: circle, rectangle, square. Okay, circle, how we will pronunciate it? CIRCLE. CIRCLE. Okay, see this, CIRCLE, circle. Okay, next is RECTANGLE, rectangle. Okay, again I am repeating: RECTANGLE, rectangle. Okay, and square: SQUARE, SQUARE, square. Okay, so in this picture you have to count number of shapes which is given, so you have to count and write the shapes. Okay, so first of all, circle is given. What is given? Circle. So you have to count number of circle in this picture. So let's begin. How many circles are there in this train? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many circles are there? 6. So in front of circle, what I will write? Yes, what I will write in front of circle? 6. Because how many circles are there in this picture? 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will write here 6 in front of circle. Okay. Okay. Now next shape is, see what is their next shape? RECTANGLE, rectangle. So we have to count rectangle in this train. So how many rectangle are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, how many rectangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many rectangles are there here? 7. Okay, this is a rectangle, this is also a rectangle, this one also, and I am talking about this shape. Okay, not about this both windows. Okay, these are not rectangle. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many rectangles are there in this train? 7. So I will write here 7 in front of rectangle. Okay, now our next shape is square. It is our next shape, square. SQUARE, square. Okay, so you have to count square in this picture. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many squares are there in this picture? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will write here 5 in front of square. Okay, so this is our today's topic. Our topic is over. Again I am repeating, you have to observe the picture carefully and count the number of shapes and write. Okay, in this picture triangle and rectangle is given, so you have to count the triangle and rectangle. So in this picture how many rectangles are there? 1, 2, 3. So I have written here 3. Next rectangle. How many rectangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have written here 7 in front of rectangle. Now square is not given, so I have written here 0. Now next picture is this. So in this picture, how many triangles are there? So 1, and this face is also a triangle. So 1, 2, 3. So I have written here 3. Now rectangle. How many rectangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have written here 6 in front of rectangle. Okay. Now circle. So 1 and 2. How many circles are there? 1, 2. So I have written 2 in front of the circle. Now last picture is this train. Okay, so we have to count first in this picture circle. So I have count circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have written 6 in front of circle. Now next is rectangle. So how many rectangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have written here 7. Now how many squares are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many squares are there? 5. So our today's topic is over. If you have any doubt, like, you can ask me between 5 to 6 p.m. and today's homework is nothing. Just you have to draw this picture and you have to count the shapes. You have to do the practice only. Today's homework is not there, but if any homework is given by any teacher, so your parents are please requested to send the homework in the teacher's personal number. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.